test drive the 2015 Camry Hybrid. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and a great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, starter type, motor generator, daytime running lights, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, traction control, airbags, front knee, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.